On my way to get new tires for the Charger right now because both front tires are split and I can't go racing with split tires. I'll show you real quick right here. It's really bad. I don't know, can you see it? It's like really bad. I don't know if you saw that or not. I need to get over to the tire shop before it closes. So I'm taking the Saturn. So let's get in this Saturn and get over to the tire store before it closes. Because tomorrow's shaping up to be good for racing. It's supposed to rain in the morning, sunny in the evening. So let's go get this done. We're at the tire shop. Unauthorized wheels and tires. Let's go take a look. If we can get some tires for racing tomorrow, I hope we can. All right. I'm looking for the tires for the Charger SRT.
Yeah.
I'm just thinking, you want to show me those two you were telling me about?
Oh, the do-runs?
Yeah. Check out these rims right here. This looks cool in red. I kind of like it. It'd be awesome on a truck with these tires. I can like fit my whole finger in a notch. Tire's not
I
that
think
bad.
that size was the 275/30, right? What did you want? You want 20?
For two. 325 in? Alright. Yeah, I really want tires for tomorrow, but I'd really rather have those 4 Indy 500s.
Yeah, those ones might be a couple of weeks, so depending, I have to call, but they're closed now, so I have to call tomorrow, see how long it takes.
I think I can put those ones on the back. Those look alright. It's just I'm gonna burn them.
That's the only problem, right? Yeah. Burn them up quick if you're hard on them.
It's a lot of money for a couple of races.
Yeah.
I do have another set of rims I could just put the Indy 5s on and just keep those on the other ones. If I brought it in at 4 o'clock, would I be able to get in and out real fast?
Yeah, it wouldn't take too long, just 2 tires.
Okay. So the fronts, the tread needs to come off, and then those new ones need to go on those rims, and then those rims, the front with the fronts, put the back in the back and the front.
Rotate them?
Yeah.
So change the front and just rotate, yeah.
Alright. Let's do it.
You want to go with those?
Yeah. And I need tires for tomorrow.
Yeah, so just for 2, right?
Yep. Now, a question about the tire sizes and stuff. With the 30 R20s, when I'm at highway speeds like 120 and then I'm actually only going 110.
Yeah, so it's going to be lower because it should be, I think, a 45 on there. Or a 40. I can't remember on those.
Yeah, if I go with a 275, then it needs to be 40.
I think so.
Yeah.
So you're going 2 sizes smaller, right? So your feel is definitely going to be out.
Is that gonna like affect like how fast I can get up to speed? The tire size?
I don't know if that does. You get how fast it gets when you go smaller. Should
Sure it
sure.
does, yeah. Why you're running a shorter tire?
He wants to run short.
Well, it does affect it a bit. Because the car's going to revolve a lot quicker.
08, what is it? 07?
07 Charger SRT?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I know.
You know? Oh, okay. I'm not sure. 275/30.
275.
Yeah, go
That's way too short.
Yeah, that's what's on it right now.
Yeah.
Am I gonna?
Are you sure it's not 35 on it right now?
Yeah, it's a 275 30 R20.
It is short. It should be like a 45.
Yeah, I got those ones are my winter tires. I took them off.
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying.
But yeah,
275, 40. Or 40, yeah, it'd be better. Go 275.
Because the car stock is
245, 45, yeah.
so if you do 275,
You didn't order that tire. Yeah, I did.
you're 2.5 inches short.
That's quite a bit.
Huge.
so with those tires that are too small compared to the ones that are stock, is that gonna affect how fast I get up to speed?
100%, right? Because it's got to spend so much more to cover the same area.
Okay, so
Because, well, look at the gas, but like, if you look at the revolve rate, so for example, like, to hit 160, let's say with the normal tire, it would take whatever. But for you, when you're hitting 60 with the proper fitness, you drop to 55 miles, right? So 55 times 1.6 all season, 1.6. You're you're actually only going 88. So you're only covering 88 kilometers versus covering 100 kilometers in an hour. So see how much more? You're actually 8% slower.
So it's gonna affect my quarter-mile time.
For sure.
So maybe if I get proper size, it'll be a little better.
275/40.
It is kind of
That's
quick.
dead nuts. 275/40 is dead nuts.
Can you get those tires in that size?
Because that's killing you. You gotta go way harder to
Yeah.
cover the same amount of ground, right? You'll actually go oversized, right? Because you cover more ground with a larger tire. The problem with your car, because you have power, it's fine. Like a Honda Civic, when they go oversized, it kills you because it takes more to revolve. When you're like 400, 500, 600 horses, it doesn't matter.
They're 125 instead of 115.
Okay, so what, $10?
Yeah.
But if I go with that, I'm gonna need all
But the problem
four.
is, yeah, you need all four.
Why? It's an all-wheel drive.
No, but you have to move on all four. They're just tier 2.
Well, you have 275. Yeah, I remember. Sorry.
Yeah, and those tires split in the front.
You don't have to do all four. It's not an all-wheel drive. You're gonna have like
Yeah,
that
we're
classic kind of look.
yeah,
It's
it's
a
gonna
low
be
pro
like-
and,
yeah.
and a bigger tire on the back.
Is that gonna affect my up to speed?
No, because it's gonna push harder with the back, so it shouldn't. It shouldn't, because it's the rear driving it, right? And the rear will have the right fin. It's gonna look kind of off though.
Yeah, it'll look weird.
I don't know. It's up to you, but you are having to do a lot more revolutions to cover the same amount of area. So really quick, in a mile, in the proper fitment, it would take 704 revolutions to cover a mile. With what you have to do 762 revolutions to cover a mile. So you got to do almost 60 more revolutions to cover the same distance. So 10% difference. That's huge, right?
Yeah.
You're actually finishing where you should be 10% slower,
Huh.
right? So you got to go 10% further. So yeah, at least a couple of tenths of a second.
Can you bring up the Indy 500s real quick?
The actual tire itself.
Yeah, I just want to take a look at the tread. Cause I really like those. I wish I could get them for tomorrow, because that's what
Well,
I'd go
if you do
with.
the proper size,
That looks good. Can I get them tomorrow?
Let's find out. And these hook up really good. Heat them up a little bit. The traction's crazy.
Yeah, I spun like crazy on Friday with those
I can
ones.
imagine.
Can you get them in the 245, 45? I mean, the 275 is gonna look that much better, but
yeah, I got 4 left. I'll do it. I got 245, 45, so the proper size.
245, 45s are 20s.
20, yeah. I got 4 left. I'm getting them tomorrow morning.
You can get those in tomorrow.
I can get them tomorrow. They're showing 4, so.
So it was about 1,100 bucks. I just wish I get the 275 40s. Am I still gonna get the same kind of hook with the not as wide tire?
It's a stickier tire, if anything. I think
If
it's
anything,
better.
this one would outperform that
Yeah.
wider. If you go like an offshore
stick
tire,
tire.
this will outperform it in the 245 than the 275 for sure. Obviously, if you had a 275 Firestone, and yeah, the 275 might be a little bit better, a little wider platform, right?
We're looking at weeks for those, right?
I don't even know that they even have them.
I have to
I don't
call,
even
know
think
if
they build
have
them in
any.
that.
They do, they just didn't have stock, yeah.
Yeah, if they don't have stock, you're a few weeks out.
That's if Firestone has them. If they don't,
Decisions.
yeah.
Are those 245s gonna hang off out past the rim just a little bit? No? The rim's gonna be out further than the tire?
So yeah, because I think they're 20 by 10, if I'm not mistaken.
Actually,
No, I don't
I think they're 20 by 9.5.
Yeah, you'll sit.
Yeah, they'll probably be
You'll sit flush. You won't have rim hanging out, but you're not gonna have it.
If
out a
anything,
little
it might be, the tire might be like, I don't know.
bit. Yeah, but it won't expose the lip.
No.
Alright, so I got the new tires ordered. They should be here tomorrow morning. I got the Indy 500s, but I didn't get the wide ones like I wanted, but they didn't have them in stock, and I've been waiting like 3 weeks for them. So I got the 245 45 R20s, and those are the stock size for the car. So it's gonna be good. It's gonna be way better than those low pros. I'm gonna be crossing that line faster, so maybe that would have made up for that 0.3 of a second I lost against a Hellcat. Oh, if I had those other tires, I might have won that race and I would have been able to say, I beat a Hellcat. Well, tomorrow, I'll see you then.